and welcome to my channel. I'm Anshu and welcome to my video of a day in my 20s. और आज I will be taking you along my entire day. I'm just getting ready for my office, so let's get ready with me. Quickly I will apply my moisturizer. और बाहर बहुत तेज़ बारिश हो रही है, बहुत तेज़. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं ऑफिस कैसे जाऊँगी. Then I'm applying niacinamide from Minimalist. Lastly, I'll apply a sunscreen. This is from Dot and Key. This is what I'm wearing for my ear. The minute I stepped out, I realized it is quite messy. I don't know how did I even manage to film this video. I would have generally skipped such, rainy days because I personally don't like traveling in rainy days, especially through metro or rickshaws because as you know, it gets quite messy. But aaj I cannot miss because a lot of work was waiting for me in the office. और यहाँ पे I was honestly doubting my own decision to go to office today because again it was raining a lot to the point that there was barely anyone on the metro station. Things got even more messier when I got off the metro station. I mean, just look at that pool. I was screaming the entire time. Once I reached office, I got a matcha to refresh my mood. I mean, of course. And this was strawberry matcha from Chayos. You should give it a try. Mornings are mostly all about assigning work and assigning my own task for the entire week. After working for 4 to 5 hours continuously, I had to straighten my back. So I came out and I saw the weather was absolutely clear. And I am in that era of life where I have been appreciating every single moment in my life, literally every single moment. This is that 5-7 minutes that I come to cheer myself up and restart the entire workflow. Honestly, I would recommend this to every single one who works in corporate to spend 5-7 minutes by yourself just doing nothing, spending time and walking around, and you will feel so much refreshed. And while I was creating this video, there were two girls who were creating content for themselves and they came up to me and asked if they would want them to shoot my content, and it was so sweet. After taking a small breather, I come back to my seat and take up again intensive projects to complete because I have a deadline to finish. And after few hours, we were asked to assemble downstairs because Co-Works was celebrating 15th of August, which is Independence Day here in India. I was quite impressed by the decoration. There were cakes, there were dhoklas, there were sandwiches. If you're someone who is in marketing, you would absolutely know how a day passes by and you are still left with a lot of work. This is why I quickly finished it and then went back to my seat, and around 7:30 we came downstairs to have chai and pakoras. So after long hours of shift, we are just heading back home. और हमने अब बज रहे हैं 8 o'clock और हमने काफ़ी मटर गश्ती कर ली आज, पर बहुत सारा काम भी करा है, ढेर सारी calls, and we have prepped ourselves for the long weekend because tomorrow is 15th of August and we are all set. What are your say, Prerna? She's a bit shy actually. So yes. अब इसके बाद I will try to see if I can go to gym or not. Let's see. Then I waited for the metro at the metro station for a while. And around 8:40 I reached to my metro station. And do you see that tired face? I was extremely tired. This was that time I was thanking God for sending a rickshaw because it had gotten quite late. Hi everyone, I am back home obviously, and I actually lost track of my video recording because I came home, I literally just slept और मैं थोड़ी देर पहले उठी और अभी बज रहे हैं around 1:10. It's 1:10 right now. और then I obviously had my food. मैंने अपना फेस धोया, अब जाके मैंने अपना स्किन केयर करा है, and I'm literally in my kitchen और मैं अपनी herbal tea बना रही हूँ at the moment. I'm applying castor oil these days on my lashes, just an experiment. to see if they actually grow, you know, big or not. अभी तो बहुत ही टिंगू टिंगू है, मतलब लाइक ये देखो देखो, ऐसे तो दे लुक फाइन, बट ऐसे दे स्टिल. Now my spearmint tea is almost ready. I have brushed my teeth, skincare all done. With that, I think I'll have to end my vlog. और इसके बाद I'll just do a little bit of meditation. I'll try. I have been trying at least. With that, I hope you loved the entire day with me and I hope you enjoyed it. So if you resonate with my content, do subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is anshub20. No, my Instagram ID is anshu.bohit. Super simple as my name. I create a lot of reels on daily basis, literally, and my stories are literally every single day, so you cannot miss that. So do follow me there and I'll see you next time. Bye.